So you want to know 3 ways to enroll 10 plus new members per month with your blog? Great, because in today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to do just that. So stay tuned. Welcome to episode number 1. My name is Lisa Torres from LisaTorresSpeaks.com, and today I want to share with you 3 ways that I've used to increase my lead and sales flow with my blog. So let's get right into it. Number 1, your homepage. That's right, your homepage. It is the very first page that people are redirected to when they click on your blog domain. So you want to make sure that you have an irresistible offer that will make your prospect literally want to foam at the mouth. You want them to look at your free offer and say to themselves, yes, I want that. Yes, I need that in my life. There's 2 ways of doing it. It can either be a text with an image format, or it could be video with an image format. So for example, you can have an image of yourself on one side and a beautiful banner call to action on the other side, or you can have a video of yourself on one side introducing your call to action on the next side. Now, I personally love having a video intro that promotes my offer on my blog because it brings my blog to life and people can actually see and hear me, kind of like what you're doing right now. Plus, it works so much better than just an image with a call to action. Number 2, your blog post. I see this all the time and people wonder why they never make sales, with their blog, like ever. You have to have a call to action inside your blog post. And what I like to do is I like to create these beautiful images with canva.com and I add them right underneath my video. And then I tell my prospects, click on the banner to download my freebie. Works like a charm every time. Number 3, your sidebar. Now, if you're on my blog right now, you're going to see my sidebar. Now, I personally don't like to overwhelm my prospects with a whole bunch of offers. I only want to showcase 2 offers at a time. The one on my homepage, which is the same as the sidebar, and the one on the blog post. Now, my blog post offer is always a freebie that is congruent with whatever it is that I'm talking about in my blog post. So each blog post is going to have their own freebie download. But the cool thing is that even though the freebie for that particular blog, it's a freebie for that particular blog post, I can actually repurpose it at a later date with a brand new blog post. There's nothing wrong with recycling. So there you have it. Those are my 3 ways that you can start doing, or what you can start doing right now to generate 10 plus sales per month in your business, to sign up more customers and reps. So if you enjoyed this video, you are going to absolutely love my 10 high converting freebie ideas for your blog. So you can start creating your own freebies starting today. And you can go ahead and grab that at LisaTorresSpeaks.com/1download. And of course, if you love this video and you got some value from it, please make sure you share it with your team, share it with your friends on social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.